Switch on instruction. Important: before you switch on the system, please make sure that the power and compressed air supply is connected. Please turn on the main switch first. Then open the ball valve for the compressed air supply. Please also make sure the shown ball valve is closed, thereby B component can be added. Please switch on the control in the hydraulic motor. Then press the sealing pistol and the shortage unlock button at the same time. Please apply material until both components are mixed evenly and uniformly. The system is then ready for use. Switch off instruction. To prevent the material inside the trumpet mixers from curing, please purge the mixer first with a component. To do this, press the button purging, which will then light up to signal that the machine is in purging mode. Also, please open the shown ball valve to stop the addition of B component. Now please press the sealing gun until only A material is ejected. Please switch off the hydraulic motor and the control first. Now also close the ball valve for purging at the dosing pump, to allow B component to be added at the next use of the machine. Please then press the pistol for at least 10 seconds to release the system's working pressure. Finally, switch off the compressed air supply in the main switch.